Life is the art of drawing without an eraser. This is Supriyo sir. Namaste to everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a rose. Let's start. Step 1. Let's begin by drawing a small coffee bean. This is going to be the center of the rose. Next, step 2. Then, make a spiral outside of the bean. Step 3. Draw two squiggly lines next to the spiral. These lines will create some of the petals of the rose. Step 4. These three lines shape the center of the rose. Step 5. Two leaf-like pieces will complete the bud of our rose. Now, step 6. Draw the outside petals and making simple curves. Step 7. These two leaves are the base of your rose. You can see the blue color leaves. And the downside, drawing a noodle will make the stem. And our last step is step 8. Adding a couple of leaves will finish your lovely rose. Related videos you can find out at the description box. Like, share, and comments please.